Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use the scheduling assistant to reserve a room for use in the vivarium. First, you would start out by opening your Outlook email account. Once you get to this screen, you will then scroll down to the email icon, and next to the email icon, you will find the calendar icon. Once you right-click on the calendar icon, you would then scroll through the calendar and select the date that you would like to use. For this tutorial, we're going to use June 16th as an example to reserve our room. After you select the date that you would like to use, you would then right-click on New Meeting. Once you right-click on New Meeting, a new window will come up, and then you will fill in all the subject line to line location. In the To section, you put your name, and then your PI's name, and then click OK. After you click OK, your name and your PI's name should show up in the To section. In the subject line, you will type in the word reserved. And the next line we will fill out is the location. You don't have to type in the location. You can just select rooms. And the rooms are already pre-listed for you. You just have to scroll down and find the room that you would like to use. For this tutorial, we're going to use Annenberg 2622. And then you would select room, and that will take the room from this list and add it to the location section on the next window. After you select OK, everything should come up. And then we move down to the start time. The date that you selected should be in the start time and the end time. And next to that, you will find the times that you can schedule the room for. The minimum amount of time that you can schedule the room for will be 30 minutes. So if you're trying to use the room from 7 a.m. to 7:30 a.m., we would just leave this the way it is. But we're going to use the maximum amount of time to schedule a room, which will be 2 hours for this example. And if you would like to schedule a later time, it'll be the same, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., 2 hours. After you're done selecting your time, you will then hit send. After you hit send, it will appear on your calendar as Annenberg 2622, reserved for use 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And then you're finished. If you would like to schedule a room for use for more than one day, you can click on that appointment, go to recurrence, and if you would like to, say, schedule it daily, Sunday through Saturday, you would just hit daily. Or if you would like to schedule it for 5 days, you would just do every weekday. You just do every weekday. And you can choose your end date. You can choose no end date, or end after 10 occurrences, or end by a certain date. And then once you select your reoccurrence, you would send an update for this, and then you would have it for every Tuesday for 2 hours, 11 to 1 p.m. And that is it for this tutorial.